Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day series. Today's word is QOHUM. QOHUM. QOHUM is relative, kin, family member. Let's see some phrases. Close relative, to become a kin, kinship. Let's see what they sound like in Azerbaijani. Yaxın QOHUM, close relative. QOHUM olmaq, to become a kin. QOHUMçuluq, kinship, something very popular in Azerbaijan. Let's see some sentences. Onun QOHUMları çox mehriban insanlardır. Some of these words may be familiar to you. Let's remember them. His or her relatives are very kind people. Mehriban, kind, insan, person, insanlar, people, remember? Çox is very. Onun can be his or hers. Onun QOHUMları çox mehriban insanlardır. Let's see another word. Sentence. Bizim ailədə çoxlu qohum var və bayramlarda hamı bir yerə toplaşır. A little long sentence. Let's see what does that mean. In our family, we have many relatives, and during holidays, all gather together in one place. Let's break it down. Bizim ailədə, in our family, çoxlu qohum var. Means there are a lot of relatives, many relatives. And bayramlarda, during holidays, hamı, all, bir yerə toplaşır, gather in one place. All right? That was today's word, QOHUM. We can use it in some fun ways. Here's the question for you. Do you mind when a QOHUM shows up unannounced? I don't. I would love to, in fact. That was today's word. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijan.com for more. Cheers.